This is Mark with the American Medical Extended Reality Association. I'm here at Augmented World Expo 2026 doing booth tours, and pretty exciting. I'm actually here at the RANA VITURE NVIDIA booth with, is it Hengstar? Is that right?
Yeah, Hengstar.
Okay, okay, Hengstar. And did a brief demo on RANA's solution in partnership with VITURE, the Helix. It's pretty cool. Can you give me kind of a high level what you guys are doing?
Yeah, so basically what you can see here, there's a stream. I'm showing the two stream, live streams. The left side is what you see from the glasses, the VITURE. So yeah, so the right side is from the robot camera.
Yeah.
So basically those are the input devices that can just give us the data from the real world. And we can feed them into the AI to do the analysis and to help us to do the lab, like notes or any instructions. So in our use case now, we are just we have the instructions predefined to guide the user to do step by step. We can use the input of the images to show if this is good. For this step, we can ask any questions to the glasses and ask the glasses to do anything for us, and like we can ask the glasses to control the robot to do it for us. Yeah, so that's the basic idea of it.
Yeah. This is super interesting. So if I were to kind of simplify my understanding, correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
It's essentially you guys have, in partnership with VITURE, have created like a enterprise lab-ready version of like the Meta Ray-Bans. And you know, so it has a camera, it has speakers, it has a microphone, and the software enables it for like lab use cases to kind of use computer vision to watch a procedure and then give like instructions on whether you're doing it correctly or not, or record the procedure for training and things like that. Is that,
yeah,
is that
exactly.
kind of what you guys are doing?
Yeah, that's correct.
That's really cool. So where are you guys in the current state of like, is this like production ready or like?
We're currently in a very early stage. We're kind of experimenting this and to see what the users' requirements look like and to see how we fit into the real use cases. Yeah, so we're just making these things out to work together and to see if our user likes it or is something we need to change or anything. Yeah, so also get feedbacks from our real user.
Really cool.
To see how it works.
If people want to learn more, where can they learn more?
Yep.
Where can they learn more?
Yeah, so we have this the pamphlet here. You can take a look there. There's a barcode. You can the QR code. You can just scan it to join us.
Better than this.
Yeah. So yeah, we will make an announcement there. So if you have any interest in joining or testing our product, we will let you know.
Oh, very cool. Well, thanks so much. Very cool.
Thank you.
Very cool.